So, you're thinking about moving to Baxter, Minnesota, and you want to know everything there is to know and to understand about living here in Baxter? Well, this channel is all about living in the Lakes area, moving to and relocating to the Lakes area. So we cover all the surrounding communities that make up the Lakes area in central Minnesota. So, subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications. That way you can be the first to learn about the current happenings and the market here in the Brainerd Lakes area. My name is Noah Gedker. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty. I get calls, texts, emails, and all kinds of communication from people just like you looking to make their move, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move next week or next year, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and I'd be happy to help you make your move to the Lakes area smooth sailing. So today, we're going to be discussing living in Baxter. It's a small city located in central Minnesota, known for its serene lakes and natural beauty. It offers a high quality of life with relatively low crime rate, good schools, strong sense of community, and lots of recreational opportunities like hiking, boating, fishing, biking, making it just the ideal place for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. So I am excited to show you this town and what makes it such a great place to live. So let's get after it. So where is Baxter, Minnesota? Well, it's located in central Minnesota in Crow Wing County, approximately 125 miles northwest of the Twin Cities, Minneapolis-St Paul, or about 2.5 hours north of the Minneapolis International Airport. Baxter is adjacent to the city of Brainerd, so it's on the west side of the Mississippi River, and it's known for picturesque lakes, natural beauty, and it's located near the popular Gull Lake, great destination for fishing and boating. Of course, the many lakes that are in Baxter are a great part of the town. It's surrounded by pristine forests, crystal clear lakes, lots of natural wildlife. Baxter is truly the perfect place for you to spend the weekends hiking, relaxing, taking a walk in the woods. Just during the week in the summertime, it's actually a little quieter than on the weekends, so you can enjoy peace and quiet during the week. All right, so here we are in a pretty typical neighborhood in Baxter. Here's a home that's brand new construction home that's under 400,000. So 3-bed, 2-bath, 1-level living on a good sized wooded lot. That's pretty typical of what you'll find a lot of that here in Baxter. And you see too that your neighbors are not very close. Houses are interspersed. There's a lot of opportunity for more homes to go in here, of course, but yeah, this is pretty typical of what you might find here in Baxter. So of course there's plenty of lakes in Baxter and opportunities to live on a lake in Baxter, and different price ranges as well. But here's an example of a home that you can get on for under $1 million, $974,900. Brand new custom built home, 1.5 acres, 200 feet of level elevation, right here in the heart of Baxter. Just a gorgeous custom built home. Opportunities like that, of course, are around, but you know, there's only so much lakeshore, so under $1 million for a home like this is a great deal. So compared to, you know, if this were down in the Minneapolis area, the price would be much greater, much higher than this to be on a lake. So overall, the local economy of Baxter is quite diverse, with a mix of healthcare, manufacturing, retail, tourism, and small businesses that contribute to many employment opportunities, services, and economic growth in the area. Like Baxter's population has been steadily growing over the past few years at a growth rate of about 1.6%, and the population is about 8,600, which makes it the second largest town in the Brainerd Lakes area, second only to the city of Brainerd. So the unemployment rate is lower than that national average at only 2.9%. And Baxter has a strong retail sector. As I'm in the retail sector right now, it's the largest retail sector of the Brainerd Lakes area. Costco, Walmart, Home Depot, Menards, all the big box stores, plus many small retails, boutique shops, lots of great restaurants, most of which is conveniently located all along Highway 371, which is kind of behind me, the main intersection. But if you are concerned about whether there's going to be good food or restaurants nearby, you do not need to worry. El Tequila is back that way, which is a great restaurant that a lot of locals love. Mexican restaurant. And then otherwise most of the restaurants are going to be up on the northern part of Highway 371, the northern part of Baxter. So there'll be some of the popular restaurants would be Boulder Tap House, Rafferty's Pizza, which is in the Westgate Mall, and of course there's other Rafferty's Pizza locations that I've mentioned in other videos. And then Christmas Point, that's another great restaurant. There's just tons of great options, different varieties of food as well. And we also see here lots of chain restaurants as well, so like Chipotle, Jersey Mike's, all the Starbucks and Caribou Coffee, all that kind of stuff. But as far as retail, there's more than enough retail to keep you busy here. And it's a great draw economically for the area because people come from all over the central Minnesota region to Baxter in order to shop and get load up on supplies. And for those coming up to visit their cabin on the weekends, they're able to buy a lot of stuff here, which the local sales tax then helps to support the local, the city and all the infrastructure and that kind of stuff. So, all right, so Baxter is surrounded by pristine forests, crystal clear lakes, and abundant wildlife all around. If you're a nature lover, Baxter is going to be a perfect place for you. You can spend your weekends camping, hiking, fishing, or just simply taking a relaxing walk in the woods. The air is fresh, the scenery is breathtaking, and a lot of peace and quiet, which is something that can't always find in a lot of places. So Baxter has 8 city parks, all kinds of options for biking, swimming, boating. The more popular parks would be Whipple Beach, Southdale Park, Lauren Thompson Park, and Oscar Christopherson Park, in my opinion. But there are many miles of paved trails throughout the city. I think there's about 32 miles of paved trail. Then there's also the Northland Arboretum, which connects up with the Paul Bunyan Trail. The Arboretum, of course, known locally as the Arb, is the southern trailhead of the Paul Bunyan Trail, which I've discussed in previous videos. So go back and check out those videos. And here I'm actually at the Arboretum right now. So it was formerly a 40-acre city landfill for the city of Brainerd, and now it is a 400-acre nature preserve where there are many miles of trails for cross-country skiing, snowshoeing in the winter, and then in the summertime, of course, running and hiking. Come summertime, there's always people out here. It's just very beautiful, great place to be right in town, but then be right here, 400 acres of forest and grasslands or prairie lands that you'll see plenty of wildlife, and just a great way to just jump over in the afternoon to get some fresh air, get some exercise in, and then again, of course, we're right next to, or it connects up to the Paul Bunyan Trail. That is about 120 miles of continuously paved trail, and the Arboretum is only it's probably about 2 miles, actually less than 2 miles. It's like less than a mile from Target, depending on where you're coming from. As the crow flies, it's less than a mile to Target, about 2 miles to Costco. So This is right out your back door if you live in Baxter. So Baxter has highly rated schools, both public and private, with dedicated teachers and a strong focus on student achievement. And Baxter's home to several highly rated schools, including Forest View Middle School, Baxter Elementary School, and also Lake Region Christian School. Montessori and homeschooling are growing quite rapidly in popularity, and there's lots of great support for those options here in Baxter and in the surrounding Brainerd Lakes area. Well, overall, moving to Baxter can be a great idea for those seeking a peaceful, family-friendly, and affordable place to live with ample outdoor recreational opportunities, strong sense of community, and also an abundance of shopping and restaurants very close by as well. I hope this video has given you some insight into what it's like to live in Baxter, Minnesota. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them in the comment section below and let me know what kind of information that you'd like me to cover in future videos, whether regarding Baxter or other communities in the area. Again, whether you're moving next week or next year, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And thank you for watching. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.